Shalom, shalom, shalom. I can see this is Odeshi tree. This tree is 20 years now. This tree is 20 years. On army. This thing now, this tree is Ojuku tree. It can cure poison. It can cure many things. If I prepare them for you, this one now, a woman when they get pregnant, if you eat it, it will be pregnant. You know, this is nature. So I am the practical prophet and the radical prophet, the spiritual warlord, the man who described power of Okite, the man who started Odeshi, protection and back to sender. Now we call it international partners, spiritual work, protection and to destroy the power of darkness. That is what they call Odeshi. You know, when after doing Okite, Ebuka come and steal the Okite and do it. Then Odeshi it was not actually named Odeshi, named partners, prophetic, spiritual work. But it's what we call divine protection and divine back to sender. It's called Odeshi. This tree now is 20 something years, 20 years. I bought this house in 2005. This is our mountain now. I bought it in 2005. And today, this tree have been here started from small. You can see I've been cutting it for years. This is 20 years. So this tree was growing. When I wanted to cut it, once we said I shouldn't cut it. Later God now revealed to me, this is what this tree have saved over millions of people. The miracle tree. It's called the miracle tree. Yes. Now, let me take one. I want to explain something to you guys. I don't want to call the big one because I'm using it for spiritual prayer. So I want to use it to teach something. Ndị Igbo na-akpọ ya ọmụ. Ya bụ na Lagos. Ndị Igbo na-akpọ ya ọmụ. Okay. I want to listen. David Yahweh miracle Odeshi tree. Back to sender and to protection. Or you say okay, back to sender, protection. So native doctor know it, or cultic people know it better too. Jesus Christ also know it, but many people don't know it. This is what I've been doing to save Igbo. I saved millions of people. Mando Roman Catholic, Mando Agrika, Mando Kebuko, millions of them. Mando Bahalechalele, Emere Nule, Omwa, the demon destroyer. So follow me, let me teach you what you don't know about Odeshi and how Ebuka be steal my programs and they acting like he's the one. If he's the one, let him come and prove to us. If he can show me Ebuka Odeshi 2020, I'll give you this car. Is it? If you can show me when Ebuka do Odeshi 2020, I'll give you this car. If you can show me what Ebuka do 100 days fasting and prayer in year of 2020, I'll give you this car. If you can show me where Ebuka do Okite program in 2021 and 2021 and 2020, I'll give you this car. All those things is what they copied from me and label me fake prophet because they cannot do what I can do. But follow me, I will teach you. I will be showing you the miracles. What I use this Mando Kebukobio, Mando Kambaka, Mando Oka winners, Mando Oka. Many people, I will show you the miracle I've done for them. You will see it. Follow me. Time don't come to prove who is a prophet and who is a fake prophet. Follow me. Am I gonna ask a fake? You know, say China product go sell more than the original product because original product is expensive. Remember that what offer for free does not worth anything. My Odeshi is not for free. It costs money to do it. Because I'm not doing one thing, because it's work. Do you want protection that work, or you want to go and shout 100 days fasting and prayer? You can go there. But the reason why I'm doing this thing is to help those who are into marine powers attack, into witchcraft attack, remember that this is the most powerful altar in the world. This is why I conquer Akwokoko. This is the altar I told you, if Akwokoko defeat me, I will destroy it. Okay, this is what I told you. If Akwoko defeat me, I will destroy it. This is the sword, the spiritual war rod. Well, I want to show you this. Somebody came to light in my program yesterday. Yeah, you're copying Ebuka. You're copying Ebuka. You're a fool. But I can't blame you because you don't know this thing. You already saw Ebuka doing it. Did you ask Ebuka why did he learn all this thing that you're doing? It's from David Yahweh. Do you know the funniest part? Because so if Roy name something on Naga with nation, only if I say, anybody that got the water is a native doctor. Anybody that do spiritual work is a native doctor. That your anointing oil say, you know, what's laughing water? What does it? That doesn't work. It's not spiritual work. That sticker that you're selling for them for protection, is it not spiritual work? Those sacramental that you're selling for people, is it not spiritual work? Those your sticker that you say, which is useless. Sticker, not unless I can give you sticker free. I don't say those nonsense. The sticker, there's no power in the sticker. Sticker cannot protect you. The only what can protect you is the power, word, the spirit. Now, if I bring your picture to this mountain, you have entered the covenant of divine protection. That's why I can be here to tell you, I have prayed for millions of people all over the whole world. If anybody says since he joined partner, some 500,000, some 1 million, some 200,000, since I did a special prayer for them, if they don't see change, let the person come out of here, I'll balance his money. Do you know what they call? Some pay 1 million, some 500, some 200, some just it depends. So among all those people, this is online. I prayed for more than 1 million people healed HIV. How did I heal HIV? It's Odeshi power that I used to heal HIV. Now, how did I heal HIV? And what caused the HIV? This our girl in Italy. Let me just say this thing now. I will show you the miracle. What happened? When this girl joined partner, I was in 2022 when we were doing 100,000. Because Odeshi protection is not for free. It's called international partners. International partners. Divine favor, protection, prophetic, spiritual work. The FAGMA. This tree is senior Ebuka church. This is 20 years. This tree, this house, senior Ebuka church. This mountain Abbey for 20 years. From 2005 till now, it's 25, it's 20 years. Abi, how many years is your church? If the tree that are planted in my church is senior your church, that means you're a fool. The only reason why you have come here to make noise, you deceive people, confuse people. We're not here to deceive people because he that deceives people is of Satan. He that lies of Satan. That's why you can have miracle fake. Have you had anybody come and bring one miracle that I do that is fake? If you can do one thing or two is fake, that means everything you're doing is fake. Anybody that have fake is fake. Just because they caught you on this. Oh yeah, because we do a kit and tell us how you conquer a quack on no kit and why Ebuka cannot do a kit again? Because it's obvious now that I have come out. I thought if they hack my page, you know, because of me, Ebuka employ JPAC, Jesagbola, Ijo, Ezugo, Mahapwe, the many people, all those Zion Media first on, they went to fund a thing called Zion Media Warrior. But I am the one that destroyed all of them. Power house. Now, when I was fighting with Akwoko said, I'm giving you 7 days. Any person that talk, 7 days, the person will die. I want to show you now, those of you that are talking, so if you talk, be very careful so you don't call it water. Because this is one angel. Your own don't finish. Yeah, spiritual world. I'm going to show you as in the place. See what they take do spiritual work. So, this is the first. This is Archangel Michael. This is the life and death. The miracle tree. The back to sender Odeshi tree. Yeah. I'm doing for almost 30 people now. See it. This is I'm doing for 30 people this week. See it. So this coconut now, all these are part of what we do use for Odeshi. I don't call it Odeshi, I call it divine protection, prophetic, spiritual work for international partners. I always do it for international partners because of what? They are far. They are far. They cannot spend 2 million, 10 million, just come to Nigeria. What I do need to do it. Just their picture. Once a picture, huh? I will take their picture. With that for then I do different kind of work. Here is where I destroy any kind of force. Eba can buy Ebuka be having a clear. Eba can buy a film clear. with J-Pack, that just Agbola, Wahala too much. They now pursue all their this thing. This is why I told you that they will close Mbaka Church. That was in 2022. They closed Mbaka Church. This is why I told you that if Akwa defeat me, I will destroy this altar. No be so. I say if Akwa defeat me, I will destroy this altar. That means there's no power in this altar, because the covenant I have here, no altar in the world can stand this altar. Any day, any witchcraft or demon will destroy me, I'll drop my Bible. Any day, anybody, man of God or someone of Satan, you can defeat me, I'll drop my Bible. The same way I defeated Akwa, the same way I defeated Ebuka, to show you that Ebuka is fake, by revealing to you fake miracle and the Ndonala and Hanike. Is it not fake? It's fake. By showing you Akwa, you have no power. Today, where is Akwa? It's in prison. Now, I told you people what they will do for Akwa to be free. You're busy calling Soludo this, calling Soludo that, Soludo. Before Soludo, to unless Akwa is already having problem. I told him, you borrow leg. So stop making it if it's Soludo that is a problem of Akwa. I want Akwa 2022. Before he was a kidnapped self, I warned him. So if you're not calling Soludo to look like Soludo is meant, what about if Akwa or Pran and J-Pack, if they have killed me that time they send me as them? Will you call Soludo? You will not call Soludo. Because it have never happened to you. Do you know the kind of attack, the demon and their sacrifice that Akwa they did in my head? Why do you think J-Pack they call my name? Why do you think J-Pack, who have face, did not call my name? Why do you think J-Pack, who have face, join Ebuka? He joined Ebuka, then they are not team up with Ebuka, useless idiot, to destroy me. They now created Zion Media Warrior team, which Odeshi and Jaka was part of it. All of them, I warned them. Before Odeshi entered problem, I told her, remove yourself from anything concerning Zion. If not so, you will collect what. But I'm happy for her today that Almighty God or the way I have said that. So if you don't know something, don't jump into it. If you can show me when Ebuka do 120 days fast, 100 days fasting and prayer in 2020, you know I'm fake. I will give you Sienna card I pack aside. If you can show me when Ebuka do Odeshi program in 2020 or 2021, I will give you a Sienna card that worth almost $10 million. If you can show me where Ebuka did a program 2020 and 2021, those years down, I'll give you this car. Everything Ebuka do, Okite started from 2023. Now me copy. Odeshi started from 2023, 2024. Now me copy. So how do I copy somebody who just started? The tree that is in my house is senior your church. This Odeshi tree, the miracle back to sender tree, senior your church. How many years is your church? It's senior Jeremiah church. It's senior all of you church. My ministry start 5 years. So this place you see, I bought here. This is in Lagos. This is 20 years. So how many years is your church? How many years is Jeremiah Motor for Free Church? How many years is Jerry as a church? And how many? See, all those are people that come and deceive people and collect their money. I will call your name and nothing you can do. You know I am the senior. You know I'm senior you. You know I am the master. You know I am spiritual warlord. That's why none of you can talk when I'm talking. Forget about, now if you meet your professor or your lecturer, he may not have money. That doesn't mean you have knowledge more than him. What makes me a professor? I am a PhD in spirituality. Show me one person that come to my church that Ebuka be here, but I can show you more than 10 people that go to Ebuka church. You cannot deliver them. I deliver them. Go to court. Go to court, police, go to court. I'll prove it to you. Your church will close. I will show you more than your members, more than 10. If I cannot be able to prove it, you know I'm a fake prophet. More than 10 that he cannot be able to deliver from America, from UK, from Nigeria, from Canada, that spend millions in your church and went back crying. That's why they label me evil. Just to look like they are real. But let me tell you, I told you from now to 5 years. Thank God you're running to Igbo land. I was in Igbo land before they come. When I say I'm going to Igbo land, after I went to Igbo land, they now launch come. The only reason why they look like they are before me. Me and Ebuka, who first traveled to Igbo land? 2006, I don't travel Igbo land. 2024, I said I'm moving to Igbo land. I now want to open in People's Club. Because in 2020, the mountain that I built from 2016 to 2020 was destroyed by Mary, Queen of Heaven. When they told me I should allow small children to be dying, I should allow people to die, I said no, I refuse. They told me if I did not allow people to be dying, Mary, come down here. He come down from heaven. He said if I did not allow people to die, they would destroy my ministry. This is what I suffered to 7 days. But today you're saying it, oh, one say I'm losing my value. Losing what do you think is, do you think I care about your validation? What value have you added to my life? Are you the one that buy here for me 2005? Are you the one that buy the Range Rover Vogue that lost the mechanic 2004? Are you the one that pay my UK visa or my Dubai or Singapore? So what value are you talking about? He thought I see you before I came. No, can you go tell Gunnar Jonathan to give me an award? Now you tell Jonathan to give me an award in 2004, 2005, President of Nigeria. Now you tell the Jonathan to give me an award. I want best distribution company in Africa. Okay, now you help me promote Dr. Mighty. Now you sponsor Dr. Mighty. What value do you think you can add to me? I'm only here to save humanity. What I'm doing, this is 35 years. I started it when I was like 7 years. The first foundation in our father's house is church. Go to Ebuka, it's an family, and ask them before you come online. So then if you talk about anything may come, they say experience is best teacher. If my tree, this palm tree can senior your church, that means you're a kid. Only this tree senior your church. That means you don't have any experience. Who planted this tree was God Almighty. This tree have saved millions of people. I'm just showing you. It's called miracle tree, Odeshi tree. Back to sender and protection. Now, when Jesus Christ was entering Jerusalem, they used this thing for him. If you go to most of native doctors, once they want to do Odeshi, they will bring this thing. Once they want to do back to sender, they will bring this thing. Once they want to do anything. So I want to teach you why they call me native doctor. They call me native doctor because when Akwa was doing Okita, I bring out something to encounter that one. J-Park now got angry because I defeated them. They now went to Ebuka Church with Governor Ezoku. You know, say Governor Ezoku and the J-Park now then the manager Akwa. So when I conquered them, they now went to join Ebuka Zion. They call me. Ezugo was calling me every day to join me. So we can be fighting Matthias. I say no. I know they do. Yeah, you know, and this is a spiritual thing. A Kana man, onye na law, onye na me 419, not to join ya prophet, na nonsense. Onye na-eme tradition, na war, na libediba, not to join our church, na nonsense. So listen to me. Today, I say I'm going to reply Ebuka because of those people who is lighting nonsense on my page. You're copying what? Odeshi, hey, what do you call it? Okite program Ebuka do. Now my program I copied. Okay? I was busy fighting Akwa Academy. And I went to as a smart prophet, a criminal, but I made the program. Odeshi program that Ebuka do is my program. He was washing hand, doing miracle, performing, seeing miracles. Today, even yesterday night, I came back. I did almost like 20 people. You know, I used to put it online. I stopped putting my program online. So if people will not come online, if you want to learn work, I come with tissue. But I said this morning, if I will show it. And this night, I'm doing for somebody in Italy. I'm doing for somebody in the UK. I'm doing for somebody in America. I'm doing for somebody in Agor Paras. One of the shaman there. They attacked him. Now, this is a Roman Catholic man, Knight of St. John. He want to paralyze. He want to combat out. So, and I prayed for you. I said, okay, I'm going to do spiritual work for you. That's as a protection, as a reader. So when you're going, they will not attack you again. It's okay. So I said, okay. He said, I don't allow people to come here. Why? This is most powerful altar in the world, and the word offer for free does not. It's only this altar. This matter open once in a year. That is why I can spend 100 million naira to open any place for free. So that a place I opened in Agona since I started, I did not collect one. It's free. Come, let us pray for you. The Odeshi program we are doing now in Agor will be free. But if you're calling for the real Odeshi from our side, you know, coming down will cost you millions. Then you pay, join partner, and pay for your spiritual work and salaka and protection. Then this prayer, I have 3 ways I do it. 1, to destroy the powers of darkness, ancestral power. Now here I go do that one. 2, divine favor. Now salaka. They will go for wilderness. They will go to 7 mountains. This is what I do. So tell me how I became native doctors. Tell me how I become this one. And I mean, because they talk to anybody where they collect money is fake profit. Anybody where they collect money is this one. Anybody where they do spiritual work. I mean, they talk to me. You know, call my name. Fear no greedy and call my name. But I don't know. Say that he mean that. So that money where Ebuka be the collect now. What does he be? Is not a thief. That money where that oil where they sell is not a criminal. That money where they say I need to use 1 billion to build altar. You are a thief. A criminal is a criminal. So listen to me. Because that's not if I see when they cry, say, anybody where they blackmail me, Ebuka, you're the sheep blackmail. If we talk about sickness, the sickness will start killing your members. You blackmail David Yahweh by calling me native doctor, by calling me this one. That one that do spiritual work is fake. Who is fake now? We have seen of it. We have seen how genuine you are. We have seen Padrock. We have seen fake miracle you are doing. We have seen how I went to Ngobala and collect people land. They are crying. Who is fake now? I went to go Paras. I paid this. I'm a big boy. See, let me tell you, a big boy is a big boy anytime, any day. Even if it's 1 room. They say, good name is better than great riches and gold. I went to Anambra State. I went to People's Club, one of the biggest places in Onitsha. Go to People's Club, well around there. I'm there. I will pay the million. We will do the place right there. We know they look for free something because our God is rich. Is a rich God. You cannot claim your God is rich. He went to village and take old people land. Tell people they cry and they laugh them. He said, let make on prepare. God will punish all of you. Let make You go tell people land. They talk about nonsense. You can have government power to intimidate people, but when the time comes, you will know. You will remember this man telling you. Forget about whatever you like. Hey, you to say, hey, you don't have money. You are a hungry prophet. You don't challenge Akwoko. See Akwoko don't buy car. See Akwoko. Well, okay. All those cars where Akwoko don't buy, how many have those sold? I'm here. As an Akufe feature, give us for now to 5 years. Give us for now to 5 years. I told you, Ebuka will borrow leg, Abi. That one I told you, we borrow leg from Ngobala. We don't have them maker. We don't have people they shoot on God. It's later I will not be able to hear say they did not pay for the land. We thought he paid for the land. About 1 murder, almost 2 people they killed in that land. You don't talk about it. He said you're a prophet. You're a prophet of Satan. And all of you that are going there, God will punish you. For you not to speak the truth. If this is your brother, they shoot there, what will you say? And I said, I copy Ebuka. God punish you. Copy him what? Now take copy. Zion is my own is copied. Zion belongs to people of Sabbath Jews. Everything Ebuka that do is criminal. That's why I see Roman Catholic people are against it now. Because they understand a thief is a thief. A criminal is a criminal. He already just making you people don't have wisdom. He came, he carried Mary put. Joining Freemason. How did you join and do what you with Zion? Do you know what it's called Zion? Zionites are Jews. Sabbatarians. So if you're not a Sabbath, you can be a Zion. If you don't have this, you cannot do Odeshi's program. The main Odeshi is this. This thing do a lot of things, but you don't know. Said they will still come for you. Come for me for what? For you to come for me, that means you want to end yourself. Akwoko that come for me, where is it today? Onyeze that come for me, where is it today? J-Pack that come for me, where is it today? James Agabora that come for me, where is it today? Zion Media Warrior Team, where they come for me, where is it today? Ebuka should come to me now. Any day come to me now, it is end. I will close the church. He knows. He knows now. I've asked you, I've mentioned more than 5 people for you. Those who come to me, where are they today? All your gangsters that you use, all your criminals that you use to attack me and hack my page, where are they today? Are you people not learning? Do you know why Ebuka distinguish yourself from James Agabora, J-Pack? Well, because the whole world know their tips. How can you call a man of God? You're working with criminals and drug dealers. Come for me now. You will tell us what you're doing with criminals. You think they don't know? See, let me tell you. I'm a nightmare of Zion of Satan and okay? How did Ebuka start copying me? When he saw the power, he became so jealous. He became so envy. He now do a program. Bring it. To look like he's one fighting. But I told him I will put into nothing. And today, at least I'll be able to push in all those fake criminal gangsters that I carry. James Agobola is on the lawn. J Park is on the lawn. Governor Zoku is on the lawn. Where them? All follow Umofeke. Many of them from now to 3, 4, 5 years, all of them will run away. Because if they pray, they should. Listen to me. This my tree. Senior your church. Senior your prophet. This tree is 20 years. It's a magic miracle tree. Let me tell you, it's not ordinary tree. If see the Akwojuku. That Akwojuku now what I carry. The man weighing that Zion man weighing Lake Lottie, where don't pay 12 for something million. Based on something million naira, they walk up and down. That's Zion member. Now this man use Kiolamo. After prayer, and I said the man come. I carry that this thing, use and do spiritual prayer for him and lobby in that leg. The leg go. Today, go and bring that man to prove to me whether that is fake or arranged. And I know I'm not going to remember. The man will be saying, even the money that he promised to give, because that's where place he went, they said 500,000. He said, don't give them. He said, don't give them how much? 200, he meant 300. I said, don't give that 300. He will bring you to Zion to do testimony. Do you know that the man eats the money, eat Thanksgiving, eat everything, because it's a night of St. John. Go and bring the man and show me that leg. If that leg did not heal, that leg that lasted for 5 years, go and bring him. Is you not Zion member? The only way they will come, like the one I pray in Nagona, the man almost died. This I want to paralyze. This leg want to paralyze. The man came on Tuesday. That day my grass break. In fact, now the man called person will put my grass. After praying for the man in Ago, he's one of the shaman there. In the night of this, the man told me that he doesn't like when somebody is talking about Mary. He said, talking about Mary, I'll be in the enemy. I shouldn't talk about Mary. I said, why? You now show me, I came to explain, you now show me Mary where he moved. I said, okay. He said it's a night of St. John. All this will happen. This is the Catholic. I said, okay. He said, if somebody say I am fake, how would I feel? I said, it's not today. If he say I'm fake, it's for you to prove it. If he say I'm fake, it's for you to prove it. If he say they do Odeshi, bring out one person where the guy attack, do and make attack stop, make you see. Do and make it stop. You know why I not come to make my mouth or something, because I know what I can do. Many of those pastors, I can show you people from Winners I've healed. I can show you people from Redeemed Church I've healed. I can show you people from Suleiman. I can show you on those people. Ebuka be uncountable. So anything that they talk and they call them, if you want evidence to prove, if you say he can perform it, let us go to street. You do that, your miracle. Me, I can perform a miracle on the street. I can perform a miracle here. I can do spiritual work now. You go to pray the show. In fact, I have one person I watching now. One of my sons is watching from Mozambique. He paid for partner and paid for protection. The reason why you pay for partner, that time you're having problem. Did the problem stop? She can talking to you. Just answer us. Did the problem stop? Yes or no? After it's called Partners International. It's called protection, divine favor, and the spiritual work, prayer work. I didn't call it Odeshi. It's when I'm doing that prayer, it's Odeshi. But Ebuka as a snake, as a smart man, and I went to hijack the name. I liked it Odeshi 2024. Is it not last year that people started Odeshi? Is it not 2022 started Okite? Show me your Odeshi in 2020. I will know your rate. Show me your 120 days, your 100 days fasting in 2020. If you're not copying for me, I can show you 120 days fasting 2016, 10 years ago. This tree, senior your church. This house, senior your church. This is 20 years. This tree is 20 years. How many years is your church? Show me. This is Lagos. So how many years is your church? This is 20 years. This mountain, 20 years in Lagos. How many years is your church? Church will never reach 10 years. Now they use to compare someone who done that 35 years. Not be from my mouth to hear Okite. Not be from my mouth to hear Odeshi, protection, divine, back to send all those things. Not me they do. When I go to call and say, hey, a native doctor, hey, narcotic man. The same native doctor you call me is what you want to be doing. The same water that you go now, he said we are native doctor. It's the same thing you travel to Israel to go to. Chineke Abagok. The same water that I go and pray for my people. The same useless Ebuka carry people go to Israel. It's called it the water of Galilee. What is different from that water with the one I'm going? The one I'm going is more powerful because the one we go even turn land. Flash. We show you the miracle of the Odeshi. I will show you cancer healed Odeshi program. Divine protection and back to sender. I will show you HIV healed Odeshi program. If many of them, they are accountable because they hack my page. If not, but I can show you some. I will show you people that after joining partner, I do protection for them and breakthrough. You see them become multi-millionaire. You think most of them are the Catholic. Most of them cannot come out to testify. Most of them, they will say, oh, please don't put it on air. This because of the work, I work with government. You have it. You have the testimonies. I have many testimonies, not posted. But we have come. Now we understand all your game. We understand the reason why you blackmail us. It's just for you to excel. But watch and see. 2025 Odeshi. This one is just beginning. The 2026 Odeshi will be so powerful. So, now, if you're in abroad, you'll be facing an attack. This is the only what I will save you. Divine protection. Yeah. Now, this we need to use. This is practical. We need coconut. We need a pantry. Not just pantry, this is a magic tree. Then we need a candle. Then we need to take your picture to 7 mountains for prayer. Then we need to go to wilderness to destroy the forces that are following you. After that, you'll be free. This sword is from power. So, okay. Now, reason why we open in our Agoparas is just my partners. God bless all my partners. That one is partner unit. This is why we open Agoparas to help those people who cannot afford the partners and the spiritual work. Are just doing that to help in Igbo. So if you know you cannot pay for partner, you don't have money, come and take power on the 28th and 29th. Come and take power. What you need to come with? If you're coming, come with candle. 1 candle on 27, on 28th, on the 29th, 1 coconut. Then on the 6th, we're gonna be doing on the 6th, we're gonna be doing breaking of evil mirror. All of them are part of the back to sender Odeshi. So breaking of the evil mirror will be coming on the 6th and the 7th December. So that one, if you're coming for that program, it's going to be happening in Nago. Number 1, Dr. Roland Street, inside Divine Estate. From once you get to Nago, from before Kilimanjaro, okay, Community Law. From Community Law, take back going to Dr. Roland Estate, number 1. It's inside Divine Estate. So I call this number 0903 222 6076. He said, how much is your power? You can't pay for my power. You can't buy my power. I'm only here to help you. Then what you need to do is for you to pay for Salaka and pay for the spiritual mountain and wilderness they will do for you. That is it. So call the number 0903 222 6076. Almighty God bless you. So I said, okay, let me clear the air, because if you're talking, you know what you're talking. This is a magic tree. Odeshi magic tree. This is 20 years here. Okay? Then we need this coconut for the Odeshi program. Then we need candle. This is to light your life. The light will shine. What will break this thing? This is it. Back to send anything that I have done in your life. That's why you see me breaking it. But I don't normally show it online again because of what? I'm so busy. And yesterday I did like almost 10 people. So we're doing like almost, before I will go to Agon, I'm coming to Agon on Saturday, so I have to do a lot of, because this is so I need to prepare my sons and my daughters. Those are in America, Canada, UK, all over the whole world. Before I travel to East, make sure, if you cannot come, you join online, you bring your picture, they help you to do it. If you can come, yeah, you can come one-on-one. That one, you don't need to spend much. If you come, you sow your seed and pray for you, that one you can go. But if you cannot come, you have to bring your picture and your name. If you're in America, all over the whole world, anywhere you are, I am the spiritual warrior, the demon destroyer, the man who have killed over 500,000 demons. Okay, so thank you very much. I love you. You're welcome to Odeshi program on the 28th and 29th. Save the page. If you're in Lagos, if you're in Abuja, if you're in America, if you're all over the whole world, you're invited to come and collect power to overcome your enemy. If you cannot come, you have to join partner. We need your picture, your name. They will bring you to this altar and take you to 7 mountains. Then we'll do Salaka. Then by 2026 is the year that your enemy must celebrate you. I am the practical and the radical and the spiritual warlord of the Most High, the prophet, the prayer, the show. I love you all. Shalom. Ebuka is too small to arrest me. Even if you do, that will be his end. Tell him I said so. I'm more spiritual warlord. You think I'm afraid of you? I'm not afraid of them. I'm not afraid of native doctors. We come and pursue all of you. Now, useless prophet, we no in left and right. I'll be that afraid of. But tell us that in police, I go kill him. That unless now, if I call get church, you can try to church next time. You go no say Sabbath. Sabbath is the head of all churches. You go ask yourself why Muslims are afraid of from the Sabbath. Sabbath, no, they find trouble, but if you find that trouble, we'll fight you with last blood. We don't look for trouble, but if you look for our trouble, we'll make sure. Why am I not calling Jedieze? Why am I not calling Edumeje? Why am I not calling other prophet? Why is Ebuka? You know what he did, and we'll make sure that evil we do, that evil that he did to us must destroy him. It's a promise. The same way Akwa is crying, he's going to cry like that. Mark my word. About a course, but that thing that I say, you reap what you sow. God bless you. You reap what you sow. But I was a boy who Christian who could get a jail. It's not kind. I got one kegasa. It's not fine. When he said, "Buri seti de when he see how much Kadipia Odeshi program. Get ready. How back to sender. You know that evil that you know how to do. We know it before you. So get ready. If you want peace, you get peace. You want problem, you get problem. If you want wahala, we will give it to you. You want sickness. If you send us sickness, we send it back to you. If you want trouble, we put you trouble. You go fight trouble to the end of your life. You don't have trouble. Go open page of problem for you. Another problem. Another problem. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna tell you lie. If women can tell you what they see, forget that they run up and down. If they tell you what they're facing, you're not gonna believe. God bless you. I love you all. Shalom.